Good morning, dear students. In module number 6 of chapter Organism and Population, we are going to discuss about the another type of interaction, that is competition. Competition is an interaction among the individuals of same species or between individuals of different species. It means it may be intraspecific or it may interspecific. Competition between the individuals of same species is for same resources that are limited. In some case, resources need not be limiting for competition to occur. The feeding efficiency of one species might be reduced due to the interference of the other species. For example, Abingdon tortoise in Galapagos Island becomes extinct within a decade after goats were introduced into the islands. It was due to the fact that goats has greater browsing efficiency than that of tortoise. So, unrelated species also compete for same resources. For example, flamingo and fish compete for zooplankton. Zoo means animal plankton which remains in buoyant condition in water bodies. Competitive release. A species whose distribution is restricted to a small geographical area because of the presence of a competitively superior species is called competitive release. These species is found to expand its distributional range dramatically when the competing species is experimentally removed. For this, Gauss gave competitive exclusion principle. It stated that two closely related species competing for the same resources cannot exist together, and the competitively inferior will be eliminated by the superior. Means those species which are more superior, or you can say they are strong, they are going to reduce the number of comparatively weaker species, or you can say inferior species. Resource partitioning. It is the mechanism meant for coexistence of the species to face competition. According to this, if two species compete for the same resources, they could avoid competition by choosing different times for feeding or different foraging pattern. For example, MacArthur shows that 5 closely related species or warblers living on the same tree were able to coexist and avoid competition by having behavioral differences in their foraging hunting activities. Means their different hunting activities make them able to survive in the same conditions. Parasitism. Parasitism is the interspecific interaction with one of the species. Parasite depend on the other species host for food and shelter. Host gets harmed and parasite gets benefited. Parasites are host specific and parasites and its hosts tend to co-evolve. Co-evolve. It means that if the host evolves a special mechanism to reject or resist the parasite had to evolve the mechanism to neutralize them. Parasitic adaptation. Parasites tend to co-evolve, means both the organism they evolve simultaneously. It may loss of sense organ, presence of sucker or hooks, loss of digestive system, and high reproduction capacity. Thank you.